Greetings, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Crocus Bag Farmer, yeah, Rastafari Soldier. You're looking at the Desmodium Incanum, aka the Strongback. This is a great pain reliever for back pain. This is for sterilization. This right here, we call it the burr on the coat. This is Strongback here. It's fortunate that I find a great tree like this exhibiting all of the factors, identifying the Strongback. I just see the light purple flowers here and the burrs. They're in green forms. And as you hear, I'm on the side of the street here in Florida, South Florida. A lot of the herbs and plants that are available here in South Florida. Remember, it's your favorite Crocus Bag Farmer here, and I'm on the street and I'm showing you the natural herbs relieving pains. This particular bush here, ladies and gentlemen, it relieves asthma, back pain, blood impurity, blood purification. It's good for impurity removal, joint pain, kidney disease, menstrual disorder, muscle pain, and rheumatoid arthritis. This is a great plant right here, found in the streets here in South Florida. Remember, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer and I'm teaching you about the natural herbs, the remedies right here. This is called Desmodium Incanum. This is Strongback, ladies and gentlemen. More life, more joy, and more happiness. I'm just reaping the natural herbs and spice. Yes. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Desmodium Incanum. This is what we call Strongback in Jamaica. As you see the light purple flowers, it's good for back pains, like I'm telling you. It is good for sterilization, make the man them roots strong up. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, and you can identify it by the leaves. It's usually 3 leaves on per stem, and the purple flowers. And then you could see the burrs, what they call burr on coats. They're right here. And they'll stick on your coat. They have the green ones, they have the black ones, the dry ones. These are green at this point right now. So remember, it's a Crocus Bag Farmer, just reaping Strongback here in South Florida. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. If you want some Strongback, link up so the thing can think up. 954-245-5180. You know Rastafari is your hero. Yeah. Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Strongback we are real people. Strongback. Yes. In a foreign. There, I go full up my Crocus bag of Strongback. Desmodium Incanum, aka Strongback. Link up so the thing can think up. You want Strongback, me have chain root also, you know. That's why I call Strongback people. And your back up is strong, forget it. So ladies and gentlemen, remember it's the Crocus Bag Farmer here. I'm just foraging in the streets, naturally, Strongback. You see it? And you're getting it natural, straight from the earth. Yeah. And we're gonna clean them up, package them. So if you want some real roots, this is Strongback, Desmond Incanum, yeah, aka Strongback. Good for your real root, yeah. Good for your blood purification, strength, clean out yourself. Yes, straighten up yourself, strong up your immune system. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer here. Remember to subscribe. Give me a link, 954-245-5180. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you drink. Let me know if you need any herbs, anything natural. If you have any question, talk to me. And I, man, can give you some reason. And more life, more joy, more happiness. So my Crocus bag in the back right there. I'm going to fold the Crocus bag of Strongback. So stick with me and see how I forage and receive some. Remember to hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. Bless. Desmond Incanum. Yes, Strongback, yes. More life, more joy, and more happiness. Yeah, the aim is to fold the whole crocus back in a family. Yeah, we'll forage for it. Family, from you know your herbs, you can't go wrong, you know. You stick with the Crocus Bag Farmer. Here we have Strongback right here. A perfect example of some nice herbs in the community that are medicine for the body. This is Strongback, ladies and gentlemen. The Desmodium in this is a strong medicine for bones, for your sexual rejuvenation, for pain of the back, inflammation, menstrual periods. The leaves are great, the barks, the roots are great. And I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer, and I'm just letting you identify Strongback. Here's a great example of what it looks like. We call it burr on the coat in Jamaica. These are the leaves. They're usually 3 on a stem. Ladies and gentlemen, remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm just foraging in the street. I'm here in the streets of South Florida, just finding Strongback. It's amazing how many herbs, how many natural weeds are in the streets of the United States that are native to Africa and the islands, especially in the tropical states. So remember to hit the red subscribe button. I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm in the street. This is Strongback, ladies and gentlemen. Call me 954-245-5180. Yes. How to ID it. See, it's always pushing out at the fence. This is a nice patch. This is gonna be my last patch right here, ladies and gentlemen, that I'm gonna be collecting. As you see, I'm getting overheated. I'm gonna have to cool down myself. So remember to hit the red subscribe button. I'm gonna pull this out, pack it up, and show you what the amount that I have. And then I'm gonna dry it, I'm gonna package it, send it off to you. Only you. Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Yeah, subscribe. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, and I'm foraging for Jamaican Strongback. Strongback. Yeah, good for your root. That's the truth. When you get them at the root, then you can get it. Back up the strong people.